action. Okay, how's it going, everybody? Holistic Travel Guide here. On the corner of King Street and Spring Street, downtown Charleston, South Carolina. Came here last minute on a whim, so I don't know much about Charleston, but we're gonna go down King Street, the most famous historic street in Charleston, and we're gonna find out what is Charleston all about and see what's here for the average traveler to do, to see, to eat, and to experience. So far we've got a couple dilapidated rundown buildings, a lot of really narrow alleys. Here's Uptown Social, which looks like a restaurant bar. Ooh, that kind of looks interesting and nice, actually. Looks like a nice little restaurant and bar. Across the street is Pour Tap Room. So we're already in the restaurant and bar neighborhoods. Here comes Fuji Sushi Bar and Grill. And they are hiring, just in case you need a job. Here's their menu. Lunch special 11 to 3. You get a whole bento box for $15.95. Look at that. Not a bad price, actually. $15.95. Across the street is the Hyatt Place. Little tiny Hyatt. And we're just going to keep walking. I hope this wind is not going to come up too strong in the video. It probably is. Might have to switch to the external mic because of all this wind. Here comes Time Traveler Escape Games. Looks like that is not yet open. And then what else do we got down here? Comes a bus stop. Across the street is Felix. Looks like another restaurant / bar. Here's a nice little real estate office. And we got to stop at a light. So there's no buttons for lights in Charleston. You can't push the button. You've got to wait for the opposite light to turn red, and then your light for the pedestrian to cross turns green. A lot of old historic buildings in this town. Some of them renovated and spruced up, others not so much. As you can see, that one across the street is pretty dilapidated, and people are walking, so let's go ahead and walk. Looks like a real estate office. Ink Cocktail Lounge. I actually saw that on Google earlier. Etchy Modern Bottle Shop right across the street. Whoop. Ink, there we are, Ink Cocktail Lounge. Oh, Rooftop Lounge. Might have to come back here for a drink. Ink Rooftop Lounge. Look at that. But you got a beautiful view of the city. Another bar, wine room over here on the right with nice little outdoor seating in the alley. Here's Charleston's Tobacco and Wine Shop. Oh, finally a yoga studio. Charleston Power Yoga. Right here on the right. Let's see if it's actually still in business. Charleston. Oh, a Baron Baptiste affiliate studio. Look at that. Haven't heard of Baron Baptiste in many years. Classes scheduled daily, and this place is definitely closed. It's been gutted, and there's no yoga classes currently going on at Baron Baptiste's Power Yoga Studio. So that's a little disheartening. There's a Peking Chinese restaurant. Here's a community tavern, Hayes and Apple Community Tavern. All right, so that's it. We're on our way to have lunch. We're looking for a salad bar called Beach, and we'll make another video when we get to Beach, and also when we get back to Spring Street We're going to make another video when we get back to the hostel. Beautiful little dog. Good sized dog. And then here comes a beautiful little dog. Hey, buddy. So we're going to make a video when we get back to Spring Street, to our hostel, of one of the more affordable places to stay in Charleston. And we've already checked in and got settled into our room, and it's absolutely beautiful. Little cozy room on the second floor of one of their buildings. They have 3 buildings. One is right around the corner from the main building, and one is on Spring, and the other is on Cannon Street. So we'll do some detailed videos there. All right, we'll let you know when we get to Beach Cafe and have our little salad. See you soon.